we're finally getting progress here. I retrieved my files from my old computer finally, and what we are going to do today is we're gonna create a menu. So the first thing we're gonna do is we gotta create a background here. So I will do that and I'll be back soon. So I created the background here. I used Photoshop, but you can use Paint instead. Works very well. So this is the background. You just import it in GameMaker. I called it BG_menu, the sprite. So now we are going to create a group in our objects, and we're going to call it menu. So here we will create an object, put it in the menu, and just say background. Now I just used one sprite, so I just used one sprite, but you can use more sprites if you want, so you can get different backgrounds. I will show you how to do that. So create a creation event, put some code in it, and we will say that the direction, is, let's say background direction, and choose one between 1 and 2. Now this is for the direction, obviously, and we're gonna say if the background direction is 1, then X is 0 and Y is 0. Else, if it is 2, we're gonna say that these are minus 864. Yeah, like that. So we are gonna create a step event here. Let me first copy this. Gonna create a step event, put some code in it, and we will say that X, when the direction is 1, that it needs to go left. Otherwise it needs to go right. So plus is 1. So what we will get here, when you create a room, obviously, and put your object in it, also don't forget to put the width to 864. So when we run it, our background will just slide from the right to left, or from the left to the right. So that's great. What we gotta do next is we gotta create some buttons. Well, I'm just using Minecraft. Print screen. I'll go to Photoshop again, and I will just select the button here. And you will do that with all the other buttons as well. We don't need a multiplayer or Minecraft realms yet, so you can just say options and quit game. So now we have the buttons, single player, options, and quit game. What we want to do next is we want to get the overlay when you roll over with your mouse. So do that as well. So now we have the for the mouse over hover thing, sprites, I mean, and we can create some objects. So create 3 objects. These represent the buttons, and we're gonna say button option button quit game, and the single player button. Alright. The single player, when we how can we do that, by the way? We could say mouse enter, I guess it's mouse enter. First we gotta go to creation event, and we gotta say that the image speed is 0. That's the most important thing. So do that for the other objects as well. Great. And I think it's a mouse enter event, what we can use here. We will say that the image index is 1, and mouse leave image index is 0. I think this will work, I'm not sure though. So mouse enter. So let's try. Oh, yeah, of course. We gotta put the buttons inside. I'm sorry, I just got a call. What was I doing? Oh yeah, put the options, other buttons in the menu. So, I want to do that. Oh, I can't zoom in. That sucks. Oh, dang it. This is going very well, guys. Absolutely. Well, you can calculate yourself where to put these exactly. I mean, doesn't really matter. I will do that. I will have that fixed next tutorial. You can do it yourself. So let's test if these are working. So I got that right with the mouse enter and mouse leave. That's pretty sweet. What we gotta do now is we gotta go to single player. Well, excuse me. And we gotta go to, let's say, left button. Go to room, something like that. Room, go to. I think it's this way. Let's test. Nope. The problem here is I don't know what number. So this is the room 1. All right, then it is probably number 2. What about 0? Jeez. Alright, so what GameMaker does is it calculates which room is created first. So this is the first room created, so this gets room number 0. And this gets room number 1 because you created this room after this room. That's kind of confusing. I think it's kind of confusing. So quit game is pretty easy. It's just like this, game end. With the option menu we're gonna create another room. Options we can add, we can change stuff like that in the game. We can maybe load things from the options menu. I don't know, but this was a pretty short and pretty easy tutorial on how to create a menu. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm glad to be back. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.